Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at FXOpen, one of the better-known online brokerage platforms for Forex and CFD trading. If you're just getting into trading or looking for a reliable broker, this video will help you understand whether FXOpen is the right platform for you. Key features and services of FXOpen. FXOpen offers several account types, catering to different trader levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. There you see an account provides access to interbank liquidity with tight spreads, while the STP account is more suited for low-cost trading. The platform also features PMM accounts, which allow investors to follow and copy the strategies of successful traders. One of the major selling points is their wide range of instruments. Whether you're into Forex, commodities, indices, or cryptocurrencies, FXOpen has you covered. The platform is easy to navigate, especially for those familiar with MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported. Another strong point is their low trading costs. FXOpen spreads are competitive, particularly in the ECN and STP accounts. The commission is transparent, making it easier for traders to understand exactly what they're paying. However, no broker is without its downsides. While FXOpen offers a variety of instruments and accounts, it might feel a bit overwhelming for complete beginners who don't know where to start. Also, their customer support could be more responsive, especially during peak market hours. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? FXOpen offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With FXOpen, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Cost structure. One of the most important factors for any trader is understanding the cost structure, and FXOpen offers transparency in this regard. There you see accounts come with low spreads and a commission, making it an attractive option for traders looking to minimize costs. The STP account has no commission, but slightly wider spreads. For crypto traders, FXOpen allows you to trade major cryptocurrencies with competitive spreads and no hidden fees. FXOpen also provides a free demo account, which is a great way for beginners to get familiar with the platform without risking any capital. The minimum deposit requirement for real accounts is relatively low, making it accessible to most retail traders. Is FXOpen worth it? From my personal experience, FXOpen has proven to be a reliable and efficient brokerage platform. It offers all the tools necessary to succeed in Forex and CFD trading, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced trader. However, if you're just starting out, you might want to spend some time on the demo account before jumping in with real money. With that said, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. The platform's interface and tools are excellent, but the vast range of options can sometimes feel like too much for newcomers. The slightly slower customer service response times are another factor to consider, especially if you're trading during high-volume periods. If you're interested in copy trading, FXOpen provides an excellent platform through its PMM accounts, allowing you to follow top traders. For those who prefer to trade manually, the platform's MetaTrader compatibility gives you all the tools you need for analysis and execution. Thanks for tuning in to this review of FXOpen. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions.